Thai shrimp. 12 ounces 350 grams cooked peeled shrimp prawns, defrosted. 8 ounces 225 grams flat rib and noodles, soaked according to instructions. 4 tablespoons oil. 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and crushed. 1 egg, beaten. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons Thai fish sauce. 4 ounces 100 grams chopped roasted peanuts. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 2 spring onions scallions chopped in 2 pieces. 2 ounces 50 grams bean sprouts. Chopped fresh coriander to serve. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Fry the garlic until soft and then add the egg, stir to break it up. Add the prawns and noodles and mix together. Add the lemon juice, fish sauce, half the peanuts, sugar, cayenne, spring onions and bean sprouts and mix together. Fry for a couple of minutes until everything is heated through. Serve topped with the remaining peanuts and chopped coriander.